So in this video we're going to go through some more examples of dividing algebraic terms. So in our first example we have 2x cubed y to the 5 divided by 10x to the minus 5. So I'm going to write that as a fraction first. 2x cubed y to the 5 over 10x to the minus 5. So first of all, deal with the coefficients. 2 over 10, so 2/10 is 1/5, dividing top and bottom by 2. Then we have to deal with the x's, so x cubed divided by x to the minus 5. So 3 take away minus 5 is 3 plus 5, which is 8. So x to the 8, and then you've got the y to the 5. Nothing to do with that. Okay, so 1/5 x to the 8, y to the 5 is our answer. Number 2, we have 8x to the minus 3, y to the minus 2, divided by 5x cubed, y to the 6. So I'll write it as a fraction first. So 8x to the minus 3, y to the minus 2, over 5x cubed, y to the 6. So first of all, 8 divided by 5, I'm just going to leave that as a fraction, 8/5. Then we have x to the minus 3 divided by x cubed. So minus 3 take away 3 is minus 6. So x to the minus 6. Then y to the minus 2 divided by y to the 6. Minus 2 take away 6 is minus 8. So y to the minus 8. Number 3, we have 20x to the minus 2, y to the minus 1, divided by 6x to the minus 3, y to the minus 10. So as a fraction, 20x to the minus 2, y to the minus 1, over 6x to the minus 3, y to the minus 10. So 20 over 6, deal with that first. That as a fraction can be simplified dividing top and bottom by 2, so that's 10/3. X to the minus 2 divided by x to the minus 3, minus 2 take away minus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So x to the 1. Then we have y to the minus 1 divided by y to the minus 10. Minus 1 take away minus 10 is minus 1 plus 10, which is 9. So y to the 9. And our last one, we have 50x to the minus 3, y squared, z to the minus 5, divided by 4x to the minus 8, y to the minus 9, z squared. So as a fraction, this looks like this. So 50x to the minus 3, y squared, z to the minus 5, over 4x to the minus 8, y to the minus 9, z squared. So deal with 50 over 4 first. So we can divide top and bottom by 2. So that's 25 halves. Then deal with the x's. So we've got x to the minus 3 divided by x to the minus 8. Minus 3 take away minus 8 is minus 3 plus 8. So that's 5. So x to the 5. Then y squared divided by y to the minus 9. 2 take away minus 9 is 2 plus 9, which is 11. So y to the 11. And then z to the minus 5 divided by z squared. Minus 5 take away 2 is minus 7. So z to the minus 7.